Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about the zero down programs that are available for non-veterans in the Portland metro area. And I got good news for you, and I got bad news for you. Okay, so first the bad news. Most of the zero down programs in our area are suspended, not really happening, had all their funding removed. And by the way, that one of them was suspended because of the financial issues that started at the end of March, but the other ones were actually all defunded by the state of Oregon because the state of Oregon would rather give tax breaks to people building apartment complexes than help local homeowners. Super sad. But wait, smash that like button, subscribe, share this with a friend. Let me tell you about the awesome zero down program in the Portland metro, which is still available. And that is only available in the state of Washington, but it's very easy for a lot of people to live in Vancouver and work in Oregon. And here's what I had to tell you, and it just sort of boggles my mind. So take a look at this sheet. You could see when it's dated, but this is the interest rate that you pay for zero down in Washington. Yeah, that's right, 2.875% interest and zero down. That is an incredible deal. And if you are stopped by not having the money for a down payment and that's what's stopping you from owning a home, and you can reach your current workplace, or you might want to find a new workplace to live, just in Vancouver, just across the bridge from Portland, then you should take advantage of this offer, because 2.875% interest for a zero down loan is just ridiculous. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how this program works, because it's actually not free money, but it is free rent of money. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. So if you do this program, right, it's based off of FHA. So FHA loans require 3.5% down, right? All right, so what this program actually gives you is it gives you the 4% of the gross loan amount. So that pays the 3.5% down payment, and it leaves not quite 0.5% left for closing costs. Now you see there's actually two options on this sheet. There's origination fee 1 and origination fee 0. But basically, if you can put round about 0.5% of your own money in, then you can have that 2.875% rate. And look on the right side, FICO score 620 plus. Yeah, that's right. You only need a 620 credit score. So if you have at least a 620 credit score, and it probably takes about $2,000 cash on hand to make this work, and you want to buy a home in the Portland metro area, zero down, please reach out to me. Leave any questions you like in the comment section. Subscribe, like, smash that like button, and tell your friends. Have an awesome day. Bye.